If you're watching this video, you probably know what Rumble is, and that we have different types of investment recommendations.
You're the kind of person that wants to pinpoint the perfect moment to buy and sell stocks, but need help decoding charts and indicators.
You're looking for strong technical recommendations that pinpoint strong buying opportunities.
And come with clear target prices and stop loss levels.
Hi, I'm Azzam, Chief of Staff at Thndr. I do different things at Rumble and Thndr. Usually I like to invest based on Rumble technical recommendations, which tells me when to buy and when to sell. In this video, I'll show you how to make the most out of it.
Hi, I'm Sergio. I'm an investment strategist at Rumble, and I've been using technical analysis for over 5 years, spotting investment and trading opportunities in the global markets and at Forex. I've come to appreciate the art and science of using market data to analyze and forecast future trends. I'll be helping Azzam with this video to make sure you get a full picture on what we do and how to use it.
Let's dive back in. In this video, you'll understand the following. What technical analysis is. Let's set aside candlesticks. It's simpler than you think. How we use technical analysis to uncover opportunities. Our philosophy. What can you expect from Rumble and our recommendations? And most importantly, what you need to do to win with our recommendations. Let's get to it. The first step in this video is understanding what technical analysis is. Think of technical analysis as taking the market pulse. Instead of analyzing companies' fundamentals, we study price movements and trading volumes to forecast future prices. Imagine you are a detective looking for clues in a chart. These are your clues. These clues come in the form of patterns and trends and indicators. They can help you predict where the price can head next. Think of technical analysis this way. The market tells a story. Just like every book has a plot, every chart tells a story of supply and demand and fear and greed. We begin by figuring out this narrative. Then we look for patterns and trends. We identify recurring patterns and trends that tells us what the market will do next. Just like predicting the next twist in a thriller novel based on previous clues. Then there is indicators and tools. We use different tools and indicators like moving average and RSI to refine our predictions, ensuring we have a comprehensive view before we make a call. Now that you know what technical analysis is, I'll leave you with Sergio who will tell you how we do it at Rumble.
Hi again. At Rumble, we filter through the noise to make sure we find clear, actionable patterns and trends. We're looking for high probability setups that align with our analysis of the market direction and momentum. Let me take you through our process. It really all comes down to 3 things: identifying opportunities, capital protection, and real-time monitoring. Firstly, like I said, we identify opportunities. We study the index and where it's going. Is it bullish, bearish, sideways? Is it volatile? Basically, we figure out where the index is going. Then we set our parameters. We want a 70% hit ratio and a holding period between 2 and 4 weeks. Finally, to identify opportunities, we scan the markets for stocks having good and strong momentum indicators or patterns signaling a move within our parameters. Second thing we do is capital protection. Not all companies make the cut. We make sure to perform a fundamental check to weed out any company with high risk of bankruptcy. You'll find that our philosophy is all about protecting your capital every step of the way. That's why we use stop losses. And even though we don't publish those stop loss levels in our calls, we'll always notify you when it's time to sell should a stock fall within our stop loss levels. To know more about this, please watch the video Understanding Stop Loss and how we use it. You'll find the link in the description down below. Third and final step in our process is real-time monitoring, or as we call it, trade management. The markets are always changing, and so could our recommendations. We continuously monitor our picks, ready to update our recommendations based on new data. Now that you have an idea of what we do, I'm sure you want to know what we offer and what you should expect from us. Our technical analysis calls are individual trade recommendations. They come out with clear buy ranges, that's your entry point, target prices, and hidden stop loss levels to help manage your risk. You'll also get regular recommendation updates. Technical calls are quite dynamic, and they often require some updates along the way, so you need to act swiftly within the right window. These updates are key to maximizing your returns and protect your capital. Before we go back to Azzam, let's break down some key terms you need to get cozy with in order for you to succeed with technical analysis. These are your tools for navigating the market, so listen up. Buy range. Picture this as your sweet spot when buying a stock. Buying in the zone means you're more likely to see your investment grow. Step outside this range and you're treading into riskier waters. Target price. This is your X mark the spot. It's the price point where we aim to sell the stock because we believe it's hit its peak value. Stop loss. Think of it as your safety net. If the market takes a dive, a stop loss is the preset point where you decide to sell off and cut cut your losses, preventing a minor setback from turning into a major fallout. Take profit. This is where you decide to sell off a piece of your investment to lock in some gains. It's like taking some of your winnings off the table when you're ahead, ensuring you walk away with something even if things start to turn. Now that's it for me. Let's go back to Azzam.
I hope you're finding things a little bit easier than you expected when you started this video. We finally come to the last part of it. As an investor who follows technical analysis, I'll take you through how to win with Rumble's technical recommendations. Now, winning with technical trading involves timing and discipline. Here's how you can make the most out of our technical recommendations. Understand the basics. Familiarize yourself with basic terminologies used in technical analysis. Follow the plan. Stick to the entry and exit strategy we outline. Discipline is key. Allocate a part of your portfolio to technical recommendations. That means having cash in your investment wallet to capture opportunities when they arise. Never put more than 10% of your portfolio in a single call. This is very important to mitigate risk. Place buy orders within the buy range. The buy range is your golden zone, determined by our experts. This is where the stock price is most attractive. Stay informed. Our updates are crucial for adjusting to market changes. So always stay alert and pay attention. And there you have it. Technical analysis might seem complicated at first, but with our guidance, you will be making more informed trading decisions in no time. Now you're all set to invest and win with Rumble's technical recommendations. If you haven't yet, please check out how to win with the fundamental recommendations video. You might want to split your portfolio between fundamental and technical recommendations or choose what is right for you. And one more friendly reminder, watch the stop loss video before you start investing with technical recommendations. Let's get ready to rumble.